It's MrAlanC, and you know what I could really go for right now? The world's #1 most best ever applesauce fruitcake. That's right, look at it. Looks so moist. And we're going to break it all down for you right now with delicious recipes that are done easily. This is done by Marsha, and we want to thank her for this delicious recipe. This is American cuisine, guys, and if you don't like the canned dried fruit, you can leave it out. It still comes out just great without it, and if you don't want to make it in the bundt pans, then put it in a loaf pan, baby. Alright, so what's Marsha saying we need on this recipe? You're going to need some all-purpose flour, baking powder, chopped dates, sugar, cloves, cinnamon, raisins. Go get the eggs. You know, you got to get a little bit of salt going. Need some walnuts, grape juice, nutmeg, optional canned dried fruit, some butter, and applesauce. Let's get ready to cook. And now if you guys need all the exact measurements, that is available through a link in the video description on this recipe. Alright, instructions. Well, it's going to take 2 hours, 30 minutes, because cook time's 2 hours, but prep time's only 30. Go ahead and preheat that oven to 275 degrees. And then grease and flour 3 tube pans, or if you want, just do a big old bundt pan. Sift together flour, baking soda, salt, soda, and spices. That's right, guys. Measure out those fruit and nuts, dates, and raisins in a very large bowl. Come on now, get the right amount. Cream the butter and sugar, add the eggs, and then beat well. Crank up Michael Jackson's Beat It while you're beating it. Alternatively, add dry ingredients and grape juice to creamed mixture, beating well after each addition. Now, you guys feel free to now mix in the fruits, nuts, and applesauce. Pour into prepared pans weighing about 2 pounds each and bake for 2 hours until toothpick comes out clean. This is going to be a good one, guys. Get on it. You're going to want to print this recipe out. So head over here, click the big green button, get the printable version going for you. It's right there. It's beautiful. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.